adopted by dozens of power utilities across the world as their preferred cable jointing solution, our premium joints offer a built-in semiconductive electrode, eliminating additional installation steps, therefore delivering even more consistency. Unlike heat shrink alternatives, a molecular permanent set ensures consistent radial pressure is exerted on the cable for the duration of the cable joint's life. In order to secure and terminate the copper tape screen, a layer of 13 tape is applied. A split support ring is installed and overtaped with Scotch 24 electrical shielding tape to provide a connection and bedding for the copper tape screen. A second layer of Scotch 24 is then applied to secure the copper tape screen. The cold shrink protection tube is then positioned over the cable, followed by the copper wire sleeve and the premium joint body. The connector is installed according to the connector supplier's instructions. The majority of 3M kits now come complete with connectors. However, if required, an alternative connector can be used, providing they suit the requirements of the cable and fit dimensionally within the joint. Scotch Seal 5313 mastic is used to fill the mechanical connector screw holes and smooth out the connector profile. .3M cable cleaning wipes are then used to remove dirt and grease from the cable and connector. 3M P55 silicone grease is applied over the primary insulation, semiconductor screen and connector, remembering to leave the connector till last to avoid contamination. The premium joint has a built-in semiconductive electrode, so there is no need to overtape the connector. Therefore, the next stage is to reposition the premium joint body over the connector and install. These products are cold applied and therefore quicker, easier and safer to install than heat shrink alternatives, and they are also ideal where hot work permits are difficult to obtain. Scotch Seal 5313 mastic tape is applied between the end of the joint body and the copper tape screen and overtaped with Scotch 2228 tape. The copper wire sleeve is then repositioned over the joint. It is then fixed in place with bandit strap and installed using a bandit pocket tool. This provides a complete 360-degree earth screen around the joint. Scotch 222/8 tape is then applied onto the cable sheath and copper stocking at both ends. The cold shrink protection tube is then positioned over the joint. The core is then removed by hand to install. The live memory action of the specially formulated material shrinks the protection tube into position and ensures a constant radial pressure and seal.